Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's Brie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a BOXYCHARM unboxing. This is my September BOXYCHARM unboxing. My daughter got into this and got into the eyeliner, and it was ridiculous. So everything in here might look dirty and you can blame her for that. So if you want to see what I got in my BOXYCHARM this month, just keep watching. Okay, so we have a Laura Geller 30% off code. The code is BOXY and it expires on October 15th. So I will put the coupon codes in the description box if you want to use those. So this is the card this month. The theme is wildflower. That is adorable. I love that. Look how cute that is. Okay, so the first thing in here is the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale, I hate that word, Smokey eyeshadow palette. So this is what it looks like. I'm hoping my daughter didn't touch it. I didn't look at it. Okay, she didn't touch it. So this is what the palette looks like. It is a very cool toned eyeshadow palette, which is cool because I feel like we get a lot of warm toned eyeshadow palettes. The layout is really cute. I love Pretty Vulgar's packaging. It's so different and unique and really cute. And I am definitely a girl that if the packaging is cool, I'll be more inclined to buy it. So this is what it looks like. Let me swatch a couple of these. I'm going to swatch Dark Side. Ooh, that's pretty. Clutch. That's chunky. And Flip Out. So the three in this row. Ooh, those shimmers are pretty. Okay, the matte looks a little chalky. But that is what they look like. I like the cool tone. I'm excited to try that out. It looks very pretty. So we will see. These definitely will be used in upcoming videos. I put them in my little box right here for stuff I haven't tried on camera yet, and I just pick from there when I need new first impressions. The next thing I got in here, this is the Laura Geller Baked Blush-N-Brighten. This retails for $28. Oh, that eyeshadow palette retails for $35. I forgot to say that. So this is what it looks like. It is very pretty. I think this is the one that I wanted. Let's swatch it. It is really pretty. Oh yeah, I think I'll like that. It's very shimmery. I might use that more as a blush topper than a blush. I'm okay with luminous blushes in the summer. I feel like they look really nice for the summer months. But that is really pretty. Okay, the next thing are these brushes. You can see she literally got eyeliner on everything. These retail for $18. This is the Alamar Cosmetics Ojitos. I don't know how to say that. Brush set. Comes with 3 brushes. Comes with a fluffy blending brush, which looks nice, a smaller packing brush, and then a nice definer brush. So those look pretty nice. I like that they're like bright green. How fun is that? The next thing in here, this is the Hank and Henry liquid lipstick. Oh, that's weird. They make it look like a bullet lipstick, but it's a liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Petal Pusher, and this retails for $17. I've never heard of this brand. Do you see how dirty my daughter made it? She just got liquid lipstick all over everything, or liquid liner all over everything. So I've never heard of this brand. The doe foot is kind of interesting. It reminds me of the Smashbox ones. Okay, that's the shade. Ooh, I like that. It also smells like frosting. Kind of reminds me of the Ophir ones, but a little more like sickly sweet. But that is what the shade looks like. That is pretty. I'm gonna like that one. And then the last thing in here, which is what my daughter got into and probably completely ruined. This is the Butter London Glazen Lustrous Liner. This retails for $19, and Let me tell you, it would not come off with a wipe. She got it all over. She like colored her arm. She colored her face with it. So I'm not even sure if there's any product in here. But I tried to wash it off her with a wipe and it wouldn't work. So I had to take her into the bathroom and use micellar water to take it off. So maybe that's a good sign. Okay, so this has glitter in it. It's like black with blue glitter or something. It has a nice brush tip, but it's not very opaque. Like I can see where I'm going over it with the lines. So I don't think that I would like this very much. Can you see the lines in it? Maybe when it dries down it'll look a little bit better. This box is valued at over $115, which is crazy. You pay $21 a month and you get a box with 4 to 5 full-sized high-end makeup products shipped to you every single month. I'm kind of annoyed though at this month because I tried so hard for 2 hours to get the Boxyluxe and the site kept crashing. It wouldn't even load. It was so annoying. Like I was so frustrated that I didn't get Boxyluxe because I was on there right at the time that it launched and I got waitlisted like right away, and then I saw that people were still being like approved, were still able to go through and buy the Boxyluxe. So then I opted out of the waiting list and I kept trying and trying and trying to get signed up for the Boxyluxe and it didn't work. And then I saw that people who got waitlisted in the morning got off the wait list and got sent the Boxyluxe. So I was really annoyed about that. Like BOXYCHARM, you need to fix that because that was really annoying. Trying to sign up for Boxyluxe, like I was so frustrated that morning. I was like, I'm never doing this again. So that was really frustrating. Other than that, this box was pretty decent. I'm excited for pretty much everything in there. Not so excited about the liner. That's just not really my thing. Maybe I'll use it. That liquid lipstick looks like it dried down really well. It doesn't feel too drying, but it is transferring a little bit onto my finger. Let me know if you guys got Boxyluxe, how you did it, because that was some magic. That was insane. I hate trying to get stuff right when it launches. Like I remember the Jaclyn Hill palette, I was like freaking out. I had so much anxiety about trying to check out for that. It was ridiculous, but yeah, I don't know. And it kept saying that people that were already subscribed were getting like first choice, kind of like first picked for the Boxyluxe, and I've been subscribed for well over a year and it did not work for me. I don't know. But yeah, that was my BOXYCHARM for September. Let me know what you guys got in your box, what you think, if you were lucky enough to get Boxyluxe, because I wasn't. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. I post 3 videos every week. Sorry this video was so short and kind of ranty. Sorry about that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.